Our product 8-feet veneer production line includes 8-feet log debugger, 8-feet wood peeling machine, log conveyor, and 8-feet vacuum veneer stacker. The function of veneer peeling line for processing wood and produce wood veneer. As you know, wood veneer is material for making plywood, wooden furniture, and others. So its quality are very important. This requires the veneer machine are good quality and strong enough. This 8-feet veneer production line can process max log length 2,600 mm and max log diameter 600 mm, and thickness can be 0.5 to 3 mm. With advanced and mature production technology and experienced workers and professional technicians. So, our veneer machine structure and capitals are good. And we use good and thick materials, super machine accessories, good electric box, and upgraded electric parts. So our log peeling machine are strong enough to peel kinds of hardwood like beech, birch, and others, and can help you produce very accurate wood veneer with smooth surface, which will help you create more value. With high-efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long-time cooperation. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.